Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. About 1,000 Salesian cooperators (SSCC) and members of the Salesian family in the world met online on Sunday, 15 November, with the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, as part of the regional forum We're in the Same Boat, an initiative of the Inter-America region of the SSCC. Francisco Barciaga, SSCC, World Councillor of the Inter-America SSCC region, greeted Director Major on behalf of the 13 countries that make up the region and thanked him for his presence at the forum. In his message to the seminar promoted by the Union of General Superior and International Union of General Superiors on the challenge of rebuilding the Global Educational Pact, held online from 12th to 14 November, the Holy Father thanked the avant-garde work in the field of education carried out by the consecrated persons in the world and in history as they do today with so much commitment and enthusiasm. Francois, aspirants, and estes. These are just some of the many beneficiaries of the 43 AVEC groups: Association Villageois de Esperange et Credit Local Association for Savings and Credit, accompanied by the Don Bosco Center of Bukavu. Thanks to this institution, many women, 90% of group members, are able to obtain support in the event of happy events, a wedding or a birth, or fatal events, a bereavement, an accident, or an illness. And thanks to microcredit, AVAC groups promote solidarity, teach how to manage money and savings, give the possibility to apply for a loan to start a small business. The Estampa Hall of the Holy See announced Saturday, 14 November, that His Holiness Pope Francis has appointed the Salesian priest Father Walter Guillen Soto as Auxiliary Bishop of the Archdiocese of Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Father Guillen Soto, currently rector of the St. Giovanni Bosco National Youth Shrine of Tegucigalpa, has now been assigned the titular Episcopal See of Nasbinka. The Department of Social Studies, Religion and Culture of the Sararis Pitayalai Salesian School in Banpong, Ratchaburi organized a moral education seminar on the theme, Creating a Society Against Corruption, on 29th October. The event was led by Buddhist monks Pra Maha Sampong Talaputu and Pra Arjan Sompong Ratana Wangso. 400 high school students of Buddhist religion attended. On 8th November, the national meeting of the Salesian Cooperators of El Salvador took place online. Its theme, How to Live the Salesian Vocation in Times of Pandemic, by Sister Ina Bolanos, Provincial of Daughters of Mary Help of Christians from South Central America. The event was attended by about 90 Salesian cooperators from the various centers of El Salvador and members of the association residing in the United States, Brazil, and Panama, as well as the aspirant and the national delegate of the FMA in El Salvador. The meeting was organized by the National Council of Ongoing Formation and the National Council. Four Salesian brothers from the North Philippines province, FIN, celebrated the feast of Blessed Artemide Zati SDB, presided over by Father Gary Martin, FIN Provincial, and led by Salesian brother John Correll on the Zoom platform. On 15th November, in the parish of St. Domenico Savio, Salesian Santiago Ela of the Vice Province of Tropical Equatorial Africa, ATE, was ordained a deacon by the imposition of hands of Cardinal Carlos Osoro, Archbishop of Madrid. The Mass was concelebrated by Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Councillor for the Mediterranean region, and Father Fernando Garcia, Superior of the Salesian Province of St. James the Greater, SSM. On the occasion of the World Day for the Poor, the Health Center under the Colonnade of St. Peter's by the Apostolic Charity carried out 50 swabs a day for 2 weeks, in addition to the flu vaccine for the poor who have access to the dormitory or for those who intend to repatriate. Monsignor Rino Fisicella, President of the Pontifical Council for the New Evangelization, explained that despite the pandemic, the World Day for the Poor, established 4 years ago by Pope Francis, was celebrated with solemnity and with concrete initiatives compatible with the restrictive prescription set. Among the initiatives, with the support of various sponsors, the sending of 5,000 packages of food to the families of about 60 Roman parishes, 2.5 tons of pasta destined for family homes and charitable association, 350,000 masks for school students, especially from the large peripheries. Salesian sister Alessandra Smerelli is among the 20 finalists of the 2020 Women of the Year Award, promoted by the women's weekly newspaper La Repubblica. Sister Smerelli FMA is a professor at the Pontifical Faculty of Educational Sciences, Auxilium and Counselor of State in the Vatican. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.